Oh my god, I'm so excited.
Round 1. Fight.
Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. They got the whole... Jesus. They got the whole electricity flowing through Terry like it's nothing. Just pick it at random. And then Terry.
Round 1. Fight.
Ooh. Okay. And I gotta add the Dragon Ball sound effects. You know what? Okay, I'm gonna let it slide. Whoa! Oh, okay. Okay. Whoa! That's so bro, this man, bro, he got that Zenitsu. I wanna see how he's in combo. Oh, okay, wait. Oh, my whole thing was lagging. Okay, hold on. Jesus Christ. Okay, let me do the second one. Wait. Okay, jeez, where is... What was that? Wait, I want to see if I can do some combos here. Okay, Jesus Christ. Okay, don't spaz. Also, I'm trying to get my thing to not lag, because I'm looking at the thing that says encoding overloaded. God, I'm gonna have to edit this whole thing out. Jeez, dude. Okay, so. Okay. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, so Ender doesn't do nothing. So. Oh, Jesus. Okay, jeez. What was that? Dude, oh my god, what was that, bro? Come on now. You can't be serious with this. Hold on, I gotta get this thing out of the way. Oh my god. Whoa! What was that? Yo! Hold up a second. Yo, that's actually kind of nice. You know, it would have been better if he, I gave him my, my voice lines for Terry. I don't know why he didn't use those. But you know what? The mod's a bit good. He still needs progress though. I want to see how well he does in action.
Round 1. Fight.
Alright, let's do it. excuse the lag. I was trying to. Ooh, okay. Oh, that's his block. Okay. Hold on a second. Uh-oh. I glitched. Ah, jeez.
Fight.
Whoa, that was a counter. That's actually smart. Counter. I mean,
Round
no, it's
2.
alright.
Fight.
I feel like. Ooh. Wait a second, wait. Yo. Okay, come on. You're whooping me, bro. What was the special move I did? What in the world is that? I think somebody made a whole replacement of somebody.
Round 1. Fight. KO.
There you go.
Round 2. Fight.
Hold on a second. Sorry.
Round 1. Fight.
Okay. Yeah, before I do that, I'm finna open up a whole moves list that this man did. Yeah, here's the moveset. God. So 4B is in 1A? Okay. Possibly try that out. So. Too close. Okay, so it's nothing much. Okay. Oh my god, I'm looking at these things. These movesets that this man sent me. Oh my god. So, I'm gonna have to switch my whole... Well, I don't want to switch my whole screen display because it's boring. So, I'm probably gonna have to read it to you. So, 4 A's. 1, 2, 3. No, there's 5 A's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 B's. 1, 2, 3 A's. So, 5 A's, 8 B's, and 3 A's. Okay, so. Crap. Wait, so wait. Yeah, I don't think this full combo is working. This full combo is trash, dude. Down, down F. Well, down, down, forward. Forward A. God Destruction's Anchor. And let me move Kung Fu Man. So. Ooh, that's a God Destruction's Anchor. That's actually really nice. Alright, so. I like that. Okay, so down for down back in A. Playful counter. Ooh, that is a playful counter. Oh my god. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. Sphere of Destruction. Wait, it's coming. Oh. I'll just use this for that attack. Hold the freaking thing or something like that. Sphere. Yeah, this Sphere of Destruction does not work. I mean, the mod's great. Like, the thing is great, but it's like some of the moves don't make sense. Wait. That's a counter. No, this is a counter. Okay, that counter makes sense. But some of the special moves do not make sense, like this. Like, this doesn't work for somehow. If he has time to like fix this stuff for this, I'd possibly be really grateful if he did. Okay, next one. God Destruction's Fury. Let's see how that plays out. Oh my god. Stop laughing, bro. Stop laughing, bro. I gotta see that again. And bro, and that costs 3 bars. Oh my god, that's a powerful move. Wave of Destruction. Okay, there might... I think that needs to be a sound effect from there. The move, bro, that move is so cool, but I think that needs to be a sound effect from there. God of Destruction's Wrath. Oh, that's so freaking dope. X, Spirit Destruction. Spirit Destruction? Huh. Crap, I'm just like trying to figure out. Where did I? I'm gonna have to, okay. Up, down, left, right. Okay. Oh god.
Round 1.
Let's do it.
Fight. KO.
This character is too powerful.
Round 2. Fight.
Continue. Yeah, I guess.
Round 1.
Holy crap.
Round 2. Fight.
Yeah, this whole thing though, bro, this does not make sense. Who is that person?
Round 1.
All right.
Fight.
Oh crap. Okay, so whole opinions on this thing.
KO.
Okay.
Round 2. Fight.
What the heck? Yeah, I'm not sure who that is. Okay, okay. So, I'm gonna give my whole opinions on this mod. Well, this thing. Not bad, but like, it would have been actually really better if if some of the if some of the special moves might work. Plus the voice lines on this character, I'm not sure if that will fit Terry really well. And also, I mean the super, I mean it's a cool super, but it really doesn't, you know, um, doesn't resemble his features really much. So, I mean, I really wish you had like the whole time to ask me more about this. Unfortunately, I wish you would have told like gave me a whole test run on this. So like this one had to be like a whole different build up on a replacement for another Mugen character. But anyway, yeah, that's my whole thing, and I hope y'all enjoy it.